front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called battery. Now tap on boost mode on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting OK. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. Quick tip: if you are using your smartphone and you are not sure if you enabled or disabled high performance, just check top right corner for this icon that's only visible actually, when high performance is currently running. If you wish to disable it, go back to the same section of your settings and tap on any other mode, like balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!